All right, everybody. We are at the Luxor, gonna do a tour of the tower 1-bedroom suite. Housekeeping is cleaning outside. We've got a loud vent at the end of the hall, but this is the entrance into the suite. So a nice little spacious suite. And coming into the suite, this is your living room, dining room area. We'll get over there in just a second. But immediately to your right, this is a connecting door. So if you had another room that you wanted to connect to this suite, that would be your access point. This is your dining room area. So here, as you see, you've got a dining room table for two. And this is like a cleaning notice just to let you know that they've been cleaning the room. This is like a welcome note that they're doing at a lot of the properties. And then this is a goodie bag gift for you. So you've got some hand sanitizer, face mask for your cleanliness. And as you see over here, you have a wet bar, nice size wet bar. So you got your sink here, you've got an ice bucket and cups. Over there, that is a coffee maker that is included, and plenty of counter space for your mini refrigerator. So if you need to keep drinks cool, you can keep your drinks in there, store excess stuff above. Going over into the living room area, as you see, you've got two chairs here. You got two chairs, the homie chilling, and then you have a flat screen TV. So you got a good flat screen TV. Here you have a couch. It's not a pull-out bed, it's just a standard couch. So if you need an extra bed, there's no pull-out. I believe you can call for a roll-away bed. And this is the view you get from the living room. So as you know, Luxor is at the second to the end of the south end of the strip, but you get a nice city view of the strip. Going into the 1-bedroom area. So as you see, you have a private door to isolate the bedroom from the living dining room. This is your bedroom. So it's a really nice, spacious bedroom. As you come in to the right, behind the door is another flat screen TV. So you get two flat screen TVs. Then you've got some drawers down here to store some things. Same thing below. And this is a continued view. So as you see, you get most of the city, small partial part of the strip. But that'll be your view from this room. Here you have a work desk area, so if you need to handle some business or do some things while you're in here on town, you've got a space to do so. And then this is your nice king size bed. It's a really nice bed. It's a nice soft bed actually. And then you've got your overhead reading lamps above. On this side, you've got a clock radio. So if you need an alarm, even though most of us use our phones, you've got that available. And then down below, you have an in-room safe. It's super low, but you do have an in-room safe bedside. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you can do so. And then these switches will just control some of the lighting bedside in the room. So very convenient, nice bedroom area. For the finale, let's check out the bathroom. So got a nice size bathroom. Here is your closet as soon as you come in. You've got an iron. There's a luggage rack below, ironing board, and a hair dryer, of course, with the hangers. So you do have his and her sinks, huge mirror. You got plenty of mirror space, plenty of lighting. So for those of you who need lighting for those angles and those good photos, you do get plenty of lighting in here. This is your toilet area. Kind of weird that it's off to the cut here, but that is the toilet. And then going this way, as you see, you've got a nice size soaking tub separate from the standing shower. So they do give you a split part of the bathroom that's pretty cool. That is your standing tub or soaking tub. And here's your standing shower. So it's a good size standing shower. Nothing too special, but it is a cool look to go with the flow of the room. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.